Good day. This is a quick tutorial on how to create your casino dealing class portfolio. So in your post today, you'll find the template. Simply click on that and you're actually opening up the template created under Google Slides. And here you're just going to simply go in using the template to not only update the information, but to customize so that it fits you. So you're going to update your name here, add a picture, and if you wanted to change the color scheme or anything so that yours doesn't look just like everyone else's, you could simply highlight it. And remember, you got a background that is black, so anything bright is going to come up looking better than something that's in a dark color. So you see there's the white. If we were to go with something dark, it wouldn't come out too good. So you're going to want to do something bright, or you could actually leave it like it is and move forward. Just make sure you put your name in. You just click in there, highlight it, and then you type your name. And then, of course, email yourself a screenshot of your picture and then upload that in. The second slide is the classmates. So we've got some sample pictures here, but you may want to take a group picture and then just add the names, or you could take individual pictures and put their names underneath. The third slide is describe your training experience as a casino table games professional student. So here you would just simply put your video in that you may have already created in the previous assignment, and then just a quick quote here. Highlight it, and then make sure you speak a little bit about your professional development as well as your casino dealer training. And you can customize this any way you want. So this is just a template. It could be your entire creation. And then the last is your closing remarks. And here we just added a quick procedure for adding a video as well. Now here you may want to insert a video of one of your best videos that you've done in professional development where you record it for assignment. So you're just making this your own. You could also, if you wanted to insert a slide and share it with anybody in the class so that they would like to comment if they wanted to. So you would just go into insert and new slide and then click in here, and this could be your signature page. So kind of make it your own. Make sure that you're really making yours look different than everybody else's. This is just a closing project that would document your experience at the Tiber Center, your fellow classmates. You may want to take a picture of the classroom, anything you want to make this more of a individual customized class portfolio. It's just a fun activity that represents all your hard work that you put in. So there you have it. If you want to continue to add more pages, you can click on insert and new slide, and then you'll get a new slide. And just click in there and you add what you want. Once you're done, you're going to want to share and copy your link. And once you copy the link, then you're going to turn that link into Google Classroom when you're done. Now, if you get this message, because it's got video in there, you just want people to be able to view it. No one is going to be given any access to actually edit. So you just click on share again, and now you're done. So we're looking for creativity, and it's a really simple project. And basically you're going to want to have it be a reflection of you and your personality. So have fun with it. Thank you.